If you're a beginner and you don't know much about how to start recording yourself on the video, how to get ready, the steps from starting recording for getting ready, the words, how the process to create this video that you want to put out, and then editing after that. So I created a very simple tutorial. It's very basic. It's not really step by step, but it shows the process that I usually follow when I want to create a video. And sometimes it's just like out of the box, but this will give you an idea. So watch this tutorial and give me a feedback if this is something that you like to watch, is something that you're interested in, if you like to see more this type of tutorials, or what kind of tutorial you like to see and learn that I can create and help you get out your word on your business, on your stories. Do you want to press the record, but you don't feel ready? You need a little more training and more tutorials. Are you a beginner and you're ready to press record and you want to know more before doing it? This video is for you. It's a little bit slow. It's too slow for you. You're not a beginner. You can jump ahead and press the slide, whatever works for you. But if you are a beginner, you just take your time, you can pause, you can go back. I made this video a little bit slow, a little bit longer, so you can follow the steps. Here are my main process to create the video. I get down on my Google Docs, I write my caption, I write down some notes that I want to add to the video, or some keywords. And then I get the note and I stick to the window or tripod, whatever I'm using at the moment. I make sure I'm hydrated. I always drink water in between. And then I check my hair. If I haven't done any makeup, I do a little light makeup, something that I would like to wear or look like if I was like in interview or, meeting a friend. And then I do my recording. And every time I am done with the piece, I press pause. I go back to my list. I check whatever I want to talk next. I think about my words, press record again. And I repeat the steps until I'm done with the video. Yeah, you should practice too. Again, I was making sure I'm hydrated. I drink my water. I always have some water next to me. Once I'm done, I just watch the video, making sure I don't want to add any new piece. And then I go to the editing part. I'm using CapCut for this one. I'm starting using more and more. I really like this. And it's very easy and intuitive. I'm just going to show really basic. You slide to the part of the video that you want to cut or remove or do a little editing, and you press on the part, and then you have at the bottom a tool called split, and then you're gonna have the video in two parts, or many parts, as many that you want to edit, and then you press on the dark white border, and then you slide a little bit left or right to adjust the part that you want to remove from the video, and you repeat those steps as much as you need. At the end, you remove the CapCut logo, and then we can go all the way to the beginning to add some text or caption, whatever you want to add to this video. Today, I'm just going to go over the title part, but I really want to explore more and use more the caption, the auto text that it generates. It's really useful. One thing important when you edit a text, make it legible. That's so many like fun, crazy fonts, but add something that people can read. And even like the color, if you're gonna choose like any color, make sure you choose the color that gonna go with your video, or even your account, your identity, your message. And once you're done with that part, you slide and you choose the length that you want for the video, how long you want it to show on the screen, so that gonna do the same way you did with the video. Just slide a little bit right or left, as much that you want on the video. You play. If you're happy with that, you can export. One thing I do to export the video, I choose the 1K, the 4K option. Instead of 1080, I export it as 4K, because the cameras, they record in 4K if you're recording. If you're not recording 4K, that export option is going to enhance your video. And then you have a better quality video to post on Instagram, YouTube. YouTube likes, good quality videos, or TikTok. Like this tutorial, like, share, and help spread the word.